Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with our YFMT SAT math course preview. Here we have our Unit 8 is equivalent expressions, and we have a level 3, which is a hard problem. So we have this expression with some roots and exponents, and we're trying to get it to be equivalent to kx to the m, and then eventually do k over m. So let's forget about both of these for a second, and let's focus on just simplifying this using what radical laws you've learned about. So I have an 8. Here I want to do the cube root of each of these. Well, the cube root of 27 is just 3, simply because 3 cubed is 27, or just use a calculator for that. Now, when I'm doing the cube root of x to the 81st, the way that I look at this is how many times does 3 go into 81? And that's going to be 27 times. So I'm going to get x to the 27th. You also could rewrite it as a rational exponent, which is x to the 81 over 3, and then 81 over 3 just reduces to 27. Now I got times. Now I've got the 7th root of 2 to the 14th. So I can do the same thing. 7 goes into 14 twice, so I'm left with 2 to the 2nd power. And 7 goes into 21 3 times, so I'm left with x to the 3rd power. Now I just clean this up a bit. I got 8 times 3, which is 24 times 2 squared. So 24 times 4 is 96. And then I've got x to the 27th times x to the 3rd. Well, when you're multiplying, the bases are the same. You add the exponents, so then I get x to the 30th. All right. Now I know that this is the value of k, and this is the value of m. So finally, it wants k over m, which is 96 over 30, and then we need to reduce that. What you could do is if you just go to the TI-84, you do 96 divided by 30 and hit math, enter, enter, it'll reduce it for you to 16 over 5. Or throw it in Desmos and just, again, click that little button to the left, the fraction button, and it'll turn it into a fraction for you that's reduced. All right? Hope that helped.